This incident began when a 2-officer patrol unit responded to a call for service in the area of 4th Avenue and Osborn Road. As the officers were arriving, they heard shots being fired nearby.
Is that a fucking... Hey! 731 Ocean, we have one at gunpoint. Black sedan, he has a rifle.
Hey! Show me your hand!
He's taking off. Black Honda Civic.
Go after him.
Yep.
Hey! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Hey! Show me your hands! Go after him. Go after him.
As the pursuit reached 16th Street and Portland Street, officers forced the car to a stop using a tactical maneuver.